Best keto-friendly fruits to eat on keto diet. The keto diet is a low-carb eating plan that is intended to bring a person into ketosis. Although fruits contain natural sugars, they can be included on a keto diet. Because of the carb count, the keto diet restricts the foods a person can eat, including fruit. While some may argue that it is preferable to avoid all fruits, others follow the keto nutritional plan in moderation. Some fruits contain more water than others. This indicates they contain fewer carbohydrates per 100 grams serving. In this video, we will look at 10 keto-friendly fruits. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are ideal for ketogenic diet. A 150 grams avocado includes approximately 12.8 grams of carbohydrate and 10 grams of fiber. Due to its high fiber content, avocado provides only about 2.8 grams of net carbohydrates. This fruit also contains a good amount of healthy fat as well as various essential vitamins and minerals. You may add cubed avocado as topping to your salad. Number 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are keto-friendly fruits, with 4.8 grams of carbohydrates and 1.5 grams of fiber in a 125 grams whole tomato. This means they each have 3.3 grams of net carbohydrates on average. Tomatoes are also high in lycopene, which may help prevent heart disease according to study. The carbohydrate content of tomatoes varies depending on their size and kind. In general, a small serving should be sufficient to allow a person to enjoy them without jeopardizing their keto diet. Number 3. Lemons. Lemons give a citrus flavor to meats, poultry, fish, and beverages. They are also keto-friendly, with an average-sized lemon comprising roughly 6 grams carbs and 1.8 grams fiber, for a total of 4.2 grams net carbs. Lemons are also high in vitamin C. Try adding a lemon juice to your ice water. They contains antioxidants that fight free radical and supports good digestion. Number 4. Honeydew. Honeydew has around 9.09 grams of carbs per 100 grams. It is also a good source of vitamin C and potassium. Potassium is important as it aids in the maintenance of normal blood pressure, the balancing of acid levels, and the promotion of healthy metabolism. Number 5. Watermelon. Watermelon has the lowest carbohydrate content of any fruit, with only 7.55 grams per 100 grams. They are acceptable because watermelon is rich in water content and a good source of vitamin A. Moreover, watermelon can also provide satiation while being low in calories. Number 6. Strawberries. Strawberries have a low carbohydrate content and can give essential vitamins like C and A. Strawberries include 7.6 grams of carbs and 1.8 grams of fiber in a 2/3 cup serving of 100 grams, for a total of 5.8 grams of net carbohydrates. Strawberries also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, according to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in February 2010. You may blend a handful of strawberries into a small low-carb smoothie. Number 7. Blackberries. In a 150 grams serving, blackberries contain approximately 14.4 grams of carbs and 7.95 grams of fiber, for a total of approximately 6.4 grams of net carbohydrates. Blackberries are also high in vitamins and minerals, including C, K, and A. This fruit is a great food for weight loss. Number 8. Raspberries. A 123 grams portion of raspberries has roughly 14.7 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fiber, and 6.7 grams of net carbohydrates. Berries, such as raspberries, are excellent for your heart. According to a March 2010 paper published in Nutrition Reviews, these fruits include flavonoids, which are potent antioxidants that can help lower blood pressure and promote healthier arteries, lessening the risk of heart disease. Number 9. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupes are tasty and refreshing, and eating them may help you stay fuller for longer. They have a carbohydrate content of only 8.16 grams per 100 grams. Some individuals enjoy eating melons, such as cantaloupe and honeydew, with tuna salad. To make a delightful agua fresca, combine it with lime, mint, and water. Number 10. Kiwi fruit. On a keto diet, kiwi fruit may be consumed only on rare occasions. A 75 grams kiwi fruit has approximately 10.5 grams of carbs and 2.25 grams of fiber, bringing the net carbohydrates to approximately 8.25 grams. Because kiwi fruit has more net carbs than the other fruits on this list, those who consume it may want to keep track of their carb intake throughout the day if they want to stay in ketosis. What fruits to avoid? While fruits are generally acceptable on the keto diet, it's still important to know which fruits may and cannot be included. Certain fruits should be eliminated from the diet if minimizing carb consumption is desired. Cherries, peaches, apples, oranges, and bananas are fruits high in net carbs. These fruits are not ideal for a ketogenic diet, although they are nutrient-dense and healthy. The inclusion of these fruits can nevertheless assist people in many other diets that are less restrictive with regards to carbohydrate. The bottom line: moderate fruit consumption is still possible for those following a ketogenic diet. Fruits are an important part of a person's diet because they provide essential nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals. Ketosis can be achieved or maintained by avoiding large quantities of fruit. Before beginning the keto diet, consult with your doctor or nutritionist to ensure your health is in good condition.